Let's learn about constants in C++. Till now we have worked with variables, where values can change any time during the program execution. But what if we want to work with fixed values? Well, we can work with constants in that case. So, by definition, constants are the fixed values that do not change during program execution. These are named using uppercase letters, as opposed to variables, which are named using lowercase letters. Also, constants are declared using keyword const. So you can see the syntax here. While declaring a constant, we have to first mention the keyword const, which is written as const, followed by the data type name, followed by the name of the constant in capital letters, followed by the value assigned to the constant, and we terminate this line using a semicolon. In this program, I will show you how to declare and use constants. Suppose I have to calculate the area of a circle, which is calculated as pi r square, where the value of pi remains constant, which is equal to 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. So let's begin by declaring our constant. So we write here keyword const, after that the data type of pi, which is float as it is a decimal point number, followed by the name of our constant, which is pi. It is to be written in capital letters to differentiate it from normal variables, and let's assign it the value of 3.14 followed by semicolon. In the next line, I will declare another variable, which is radius, because I want to store my circle's radius. In the next line, I will declare another variable called area, which is also of floating point type, because the area of the circle is to be calculated and stored somewhere. Now I will type a message for the user to enter the radius of the circle. In the next line, user will have to provide input for radius. After that, I will calculate the area as pi in capital letters multiplied by radius, and once again we will type radius. So this is equal to pi r square, and finally the last line will display the area of the circle as area. Click on execute, compile and run, and now the output window is prompting me to enter the radius of the circle. Let's enter some decimal point number, maybe 10.72, and as soon as I press enter, the area of the circle is shown on my screen.